A very good afternoon to all of you. I, Tanprit Kaur from Army Public School, Dhar Road, extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the closing ceremony of Nadan Command Inter Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl 2021. Now, to extend a very cordial welcome to Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Ina Joshi, Regional President, AWA Nadan Command, and to brief about the event and to declare the winner of Inter-Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl Nadan Command, I now invite Dr. Jyoti Badial, Principal APS Dhar Road, on this virtual platform.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to start the auspicious day by extending a very cordial welcome to Honorable Chief Guest of today's event, Mrs. Ina Joshi, Regional President, AWA Nadan Command. Now, we are going to present a virtual bouquet to ma'am. Ma'am, kindly accept virtual bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. Mrs. Ina Joshi, Regional President AWA, has been the pillar of strength and driving force behind the AWA activities being carried out in Nadan Command. Through her active personal involvement and commitment towards various welfare and empowerment initiatives and never give up attitude, Mrs. Ina Joshi has always led by example. Her vision and mentorship brought together all the Nadan Command formations as one big family and created a powerful synergy to put in the best of efforts towards the welfare of Veer Naris, families and children. Mrs. Ina Joshi has always made a connect with Veer Naris and families of serving soldiers both via offline and online modes even during the unprecedented situation due to COVID-19 pandemic. The regular interactions ensured that our families as well as Veer Naris and ex-servicemen are made comfortable and feel safe. Mobile amenity services were extended to all the families at their doorstep, keeping in view the COVID situation. Under the able guidance and vision, various welfare committees have been formulated, namely Amenity Committee, Education Committee, Veer Nari Committee, VTC Committee, Health Committee, Print and Electronic Media Committee, Ecosystem Management Committee, Counseling Committee, Drona Boys Hostel Committee, Asha School Committee and Field Area Family Accommodation Committee. All the committees have representatives from the Nadan Command formations to ensure a synergy. The formation of committees ensured focused efforts and efficient functioning towards the achievement of welfare and empowerment goals. Various initiatives, projects like Operation Welfare, Operation Wellness, Operation All-in-One, Project Baby Hampers, creation of Creativity Club, Operation Rakhi, Drona Boys Hostel, empowerment of women and children, and Project Ladakh, Ignited Minds, have been enthusiastically taken forward under Mrs. Ina Joshi's mentorship. Under these initiatives, birthday hampers are being presented to all the Veer Naris under Nadan Command. These hampers comprised of handmade items made by families and children residing in Nadan Command, thus serving dual purpose of ensuring the connect with Veer Naris as well as financial empowerment of families and children. Under Operation Wellness, free beauty parlor services have been extended to Veer Naris Baby hampers are presented to the families of newborn babies in Northern Command. Children and families are encouraged to enhance their skills by means of Creativity Club. It is also ensured that time to time repairs and necessary renovation is carried out in field area, family accommodation, and quarters of Asha school children. Field area, family accommodation, and quarters of Asha school children under Northern Command in view of extreme cold station. It was ensured that geysers were installed in all the family accommodations. In order to encourage junior level leadership, Block Didi and Badi Didi concept has been successfully implemented, and they are being felicitated from time to time for their outstanding initiative. Tare Zameen Par. The painting workshop was conducted for children. Renowned artists from various parts of the country shared their painting techniques, and a painting competition was also organized on the final day. Mrs. Ina Joshi, dynamic and spirited involvement with the families of specially able children of Asha School has elevated their morale in a substantial way. Her concern for special children has inspired the entire team of Asha schools to put in their sternest effort towards the upliftment of children. Ma'am's heart and soul always lies in children, and ma'am has always provided new opportunities to the students so that they can explore and enhance their learning skills. Ma'am has been the initiative taker and the torch bearer behind the whole planning, development, and execution of Ethics Bowl in Army Public Schools of Northern Command. Once again, I extend a very heartfelt welcome to you, ma'am. Now, I would like to explain a little bit about Northern Command Ethics Bowl. Northern Command Ethics Bowl 2021, an initiative for Army Wives Welfare Association Northern Command, has proven to be distinguished and an excellent platform for the young generation of today who will be the future leaders of tomorrow. The enthusiasm of young participants have been noticed well by the jury panel and worthy audience. The journey of Northern Command Inter-Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl 2021 started exactly 3 months back when we received the letter to host this grand event. A committee was constituted at the instance, and the draft for the proceedings of event was prepared. So, here I would like to brief you all about the proceedings of the event. 8 case studies were taken from all the participating schools. All the case studies were scrutinized well by the committee in coordination with Army Wives Welfare Association Northern Command, and were selected keeping in view the age level and interests of participants. The schools were segregated in Pool A and Pool B via lottery system in coordination with Educational Committee. Army Wives Welfare Association Northern Command. 20 cases were mailed to participating schools as per the pool allotted to them. Army Wives Welfare Association Northern Command came up with a brilliant idea of designing the winner's trophy, which was portrayed on paper, and graphics were prepared in the school to share with the designer. Then came the selection of jury members. It was decided by Education Committee, Army Wives Welfare Association, to detail PGTs of all the Army public schools other than Northern Command as jury members for initial 3 days, and the eminent and distinguished personalities across India as jury members for the semi-finals and finals. The inauguration of the event was organized at Dhruva Complex, Chennar, and Lieutenant General Yogesh Kumar Joshi Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Veer Chakra, Sena Medal, at a camp, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Northern Command, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The event commenced from 20 December to 24 December 2021. On initial 3 days, all the 4 teams in each pool played matches against each other. The credits were accounted to their accounts each day, and thus on third day, the credits were counted as a result. Team Army Public School Udhampur and Team Army Public School Kanpur entered the semi-finals in Pool A, and Team Army Public School Akhnur and Team Army Public School Rakmoti in Pool B. In semi-finals, Team Army Public School Udhampur and Team Army Public School Rakmoti made their way to enter the finals. We all are aware that from past few weeks, you all were working very hard from day and night to reach the finals of Northern Command Inter-Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl 2021. And now the moment has come for which you all had been preparing so hard. Yes, it is the declaration of the winner of Northern Command Inter-Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl 2021. I know your hearts must be beating very fast. So hold your breath, everyone, as I'm going to announce the results. I'm going to announce the name of the winner. The winner of the Northern Command Inter-Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl 2021 is Army Public School Udhampur. It's Army Public School Udhampur. Heartiest congratulations to all the students of Army Public Schools, all the participants and their teacher in charges, and heartiest congratulations to Principal Army Public School Sanjeev sir. Heartiest congratulations. रहा कोशिशों की जो चलता है, याद रखना वो ही संसार को बदलता है. रहा कोशिशों की जो चलता है, याद रखना वो ही संसार को बदलता है. जिसने रातों से है जंग जीती, जिसने रातों से है जंग जीती, सुबह सूर्य बनकर वो ही चमकता है. सुबह सूर्य बनकर वो ही चमकता है.
आए हो निभाने को जब, आए हो निभाने को जब किरदार जमी पर, कुछ ऐसा कर चलो कि जमाना मिसाल दे. आप लोगों ने इस बार मिसाल दी है. ऑल द स्कूल्स पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस कंपटीशन, आप लोगों ने मिसाल दी है. पहले तो मैं कोई चीफ गेस्ट नहीं हूं. आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली. We are Northern Command family. So it was within the family we conducted this program, competition. School चाहे श्रीनगर से हो, लेह से हो, राकमुट्टी से हो, उधमपुर से हो, we are from a Northern Command family. We should feel like that. It was very well organized by Jaya and Jyoti and their efficient team, very well handled by children. I mean, it was mind-blowing. Goosebumps used to come, you know, when the topics were given. I started thinking, oh, अच्छा ये बोलती, oh, very good, very good. मैं भूल ही जाती थी, online बैठी हुई हूँ मैं. So I was there with all of you from day one, and it was really very, very good. सबसे मजेदार बात है कि आप लोग compliment कर रहे हो अपने opponents को. हमने तो ऐसा कभी नहीं किया. When I used to stand in the lane for 100-meter run, I used to look like this, you know, left, right, okay, watch now. But ऐसा कभी नहीं आया कि congratulations, oh, you were very good in that race, or you were very good. I never said, but really learned a lot from you people today. And I hope many must have learned. This was a very good gesture, complimenting each other. Mind blowing. Just keep up this spirit in life also, okay? Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much for giving me the responsibility to host the event. Ma'am, it was really a great learning experience for me and my team, and I'm thankful to all the participating schools also for holding hand and preparing their children in an excellent manner. And once again, thank you to you, ma'am, for giving us the opportunity to be a host.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am Ina Joshi, for your inspiring words, and thank you, ma'am Jyoti Badiyar. Truly remarkable.
And yeah, one thing, I really welcome the juries also, Dr. Amita, Mr. Nitin, and Mr. Rishabh today. They have been, you know, interacting with the children very, very efficiently and very nicely, motivating them at every stage. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Legend.
Thank you, ma'am. Truly remarkable leadership is not just about motivating others to follow. It's about inspiring them to become leaders themselves and setting the stage for even greater opportunities for future generations. This is what we have learned from our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Ina Joshi, Regional President AWA, Nadan Command. So,
Family, please, no chief guest. Request
Yes.
you not to.
so we may say the head of our family, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ina Joshi.
absolutely, absolutely, and that is the truth.
Yes, ma'am. So head of our family, ma'am Ina Joshi, Regional President AWA, Nadan Command. So let's embrace ourselves for a wonderful, wonderful message by head of our family, ma'am Ina Joshi.
दर्द, गम, दर्द जो भी है बस तेरे अंदर है। खुद के बनाए पिंजरे से निकल कर देख, तू भी एक सिकंदर है। मैं ईना जोशी, रीजनल प्रेसिडेंट आवा नर्दन कमांड, आप सब बच्चों को कांग्रेचुलेशंस बोलना चाहती हूँ। टू द विनर्स and to all the participants, teachers, parents, and all who stood with the children at every level, at every stage, inspiring them, motivating them, and encouraging them. Thank you so much, all of you from Nadan Command family. As I have been always saying, Nadan Command team rocks. याद रखना, सपने तुम्हारे हैं तो पूरा भी तुम ही करोगे। ना ही हालात तुम्हारे हिसाब से होंगे और ना ही लोग। जिंदगी में अंधेरेपन से कभी मत घबराना, क्योंकि तारे अक्सर अंधेरे में ही चमकते हैं। ब्रांड को पहनो नहीं, अपने आप को खुद एक ब्रांड बनाओ। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of inspiration.
Thank you.
And encouragement. It is a remarkable day as we are blessed with the presence of eminent and renowned personalities amidst us today who have made immense contributions to the society as a whole. May I now take the honor to invite Mrs. Indu Cheb, Deputy Commissioner Udhampur, to address all of us. Ma'am Indu Cheb is there with us.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Indu here, Deputy Commissioner Udhampur. I am very grateful to Mrs. Ina Joshi. I'm really grateful, ma'am, that I got a chance to be part of this entire brainstorming kind of a session. And this has been one very amazing experience for me also, ma'am.
Thank you so much for sparing your precious time, please. Thank you so much.
No, ma'am. I'm always there for the kids, especially, and I love to work with the younger minds. And I have been a debater and an extempore spokesperson everywhere, all the levels of my schooling.
Oh, wow.
So I love this part of the entire school curriculum. And ma'am, the best thing about this is कि आजकल इस बारे में बात नहीं होती है कि बलून के अंदर बलून ऊपर उठता कैसे है. This is one example I've always been giving. बलून का कलर क्या है वो सब लोग appreciate करते हैं. But what is the gas, helium, hydrogen, what is the gas which is pulling it upward or pushing it upward is not discussed. So ethics is one very attractive kind of a feature which I always try to make people understand कि अंदर आपके क्या है, कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग क्या है, वो हम उसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देते. And ma'am, I would again thank you and in fact the entire alumni of the entire very august gathering here, that we are after a while talking about ethics. We are after a while, after a span of I think so many years. This is one brainstorming where I heard kids talking about something called as character building, which means the morals, the ethics, the principles. क्योंकि हम लोग सिस्टम को क्रिटिसाइज करना बहुत आसान है. सिस्टम ये है, सिस्टम वो है, पॉलिटिक्स ऐसी है, पॉलिटिक्स वैसी है. We all criticize and we can get all kinds of awards for criticism. But what makes you a good citizen of the country is the ethics. आपका रेप कैपिटल क्यों है दिल्ली और फॉर दैट मैटर द कंट्री? एथिक्स इज द आंसर. आप आपके यहाँ डाउरी हमारे यहाँ क्यों चल रहा है? एथिक्स इज द आंसर. हमारे यहाँ चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज क्यों हो रहा है? moral science is the answer. So when we were kids, we had these moral lectures all throughout my childhood. We had these moral science classes. Ma'am, I will take this chance to very humbly request that moral science should be part of the curriculum. Ethics should be part of the curriculum of at least APS fraternity. And Northern Command has taken a wonderful initiative in discussing morals. Why don't we be one of the pioneers of discussing this in our everyday life of the school curriculum?
Absolutely, ma'am. This is coming into my mind also while you were speaking.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Jaya is noting. See, you can see Jaya. She's noting.
Yes, I'm sure, ma'am. And the second thing which I would like to tell the kids, मैं कानपुर के बच्चों से माफी भी मांगना चाहती हूँ. In fact, yesterday I was one of the jury members. And I was little blunt, ma'am, because मेरा काम ही बहुत blunt से बात करना मेरी आदत हो गई है. I would apologize. I just wanted to tell all the kids who participated in this particular initiative is that whenever this is from a debater to a debater I'm talking. आप सब बच्चे डिबेट बोल चुके हो, आप सब बच्चे अपना thought process रख चुके हो. So now we are free, we can talk. एक डिबेट को विन करने का एक ही गुरुमंत्र है, वो ये है कि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आ जाना चाहिए, आपको रटना नहीं है. यू डोंट हैव टू मग अप थिंग्स एंड टेल द फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स. नो, इट शुड कम आउट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट. आपके अंदर से आना चाहिए. तो इसका मतलब आप जब चीज को पकड़ लोगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट maybe we talked about the sexual harassment at workplace. So it should come out from the heart. If you want to prepare for a debate, talk to women who are working. आप 2-4 लेडीज से इंटरव्यू करिए, आप उनका माइंड पढ़िए, तो डिबेट अपने आप से स्मूथ हो जाए. So a debater will never win a trophy if he or she is trying to put across a point which is mugged up, which is memorized. He or she will win only when she has understood the concept. And that is from one debater to the other. And third, and I will not take much time, I know everybody is very excited to celebrate. You have come so far and you want to do your part of hooray and your part of the party. Ma'am, this is a tremendous work which has gone through. हम लोग ये कराते रहते हैं, इसलिए हमें पता है. आपकी टीम ने मैम मार्वलस काम किया. Mrs. Jaya, I would give all marks to her and the team and principal APS Dhar Road, because इतनी बारीकियों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है ऐसे इनिशिएटिव्स में, कि आपको रिमाइंडर देना है और हम जैसे भुलक्कड़ को बार बार रिमाइंड कराना है कि मैम आपका ये है, आपका वो है. Principal came to my office. I am so grateful, ma'am. You came to my office to give me the case studies. तो ये बहुत मेहनत हुई है मैम इस पे. So a big party from I think Mrs. Eena Joshi, from your entire team. A lot of hard work has gone through. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me. Yes, ma'am.
मैं बहुत ज्यादा प्रेज करूंगी तो वो अपने मुंह मियां मिट्ठू लगेगा, because they are my family, and we are a family here. We
Yes,
actually, ma'am, you will be surprised. We actually call ourselves as Northern Command family only. We never say Northern Command only. It's Northern Command family. You can ask anybody in Northern Command. We are
Yes.
a family. We are one. And
Yes.
we really welcome good critics also, because that is very essential if you have to achieve some success. क्योंकि
Yes.
उसी समय आपको बताया जाए कि आप ऐसे करिए, ऐसे नहीं. It is much better than later on,
I'm sure. So बहुत मेहनत गई है, and I'm sure the entire hard work has definitely borne fruits. I'm honored. It was a learning for me again. So God bless you. Jai Hind. Thank you so much, ma'am.
कुछ ज्यादा ख्वाहिशें नहीं है जिंदगी तुझसे, बस मेरा अगला कदम पिछले से बेहतरीन हो. For the students.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
That was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your highly motivating words and sharing your insights with us. I now take the privilege to invite our eminent guest, Dr. Amita Jain, Head of Department, Microbiology, King George Medical University, Lucknow. Ma'am, Amita Jain.
Thank you very, very much. Addressing honorable judges of the event, Principal APS Dhar Road, all the other principals of APS in North Command, the chief guest of today, President AVA, Ina Joshi ji, all the members of our family, dear boys and girls. It's an honor and a great pleasure to be here to share this important occasion with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your precious time.
Thank you so much. First, I would like to congratulate each and every student who has participated. And you too should feel proud today. It's a day of celebration for you all. There's a saying, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Some might say that the study or books are more important than extracurricular activities. But the truth is that both are equally important in life. In fact, they're the two faces of a single coin. So enjoy today. It's your day. Boys and girls, human is a social animal. And we have to follow certain social norms. Ethics and values are very crucial for us as a human, especially when it comes to success. Your actions always express your real character. Those who have strong values, strong ethical standards, they are remarkable in their actions. Ethics and values, they develop from place where you live, society, family, your beliefs, and above all, your school. The first lesson of ethics we learn from our parents, guardians, grandparents, and family. They teach us what is right and what is wrong. These values stay with you always. After home comes your school. Your teacher, they put a lot of effort in developing you as a human being. They teach you importance of discipline in life, importance of time in life. You all must have seen when you want to make a new friend, what you look at, not the face or the height or the color of the person. You look at his or her values. And that's when you say we click together or we gel together. Boys and girls, we should take the ownership of making our society and in turn our planet a beautiful world where all persons can live a life with respect and dignity without any fears in their mind. So we have to follow the rules of ethics and values, and our world, I'm sure, is going to be a great place to live. You all must have heard about Nelson Mandela, and he has famously said, education is the most powerful weapon. You can change the world using your education. And now it's your turn to prove it right. No doubt, the time will come in your own careers when you will think of today. And you will be amazed at how far you have traveled and how much you have learned. That is the power of a great education. You turn into a beautiful human being. It makes a lot of things possible in your life. You adapt, you grow, and you do what you once thought is inconceivable. Without taking much time, I would like to finish with few couplets from Maithili Sharan Group. I'm sure you all understand Hindi well. I'll keep on explaining whatever I say. And this is one poetry which actually every time I read it touches my heart from the age when I was actually 12 years old. Said, Nar ho, na nirash karo man ko. You're a human being, don't get disappointed. Kuch kaam karo, jag mein rehkar kuch naam karo. Ye janam hua kis arth aho, samjho jisse ye vyarth na ho. Don't waste your life. This is one human life, don't waste it. Kuch to upyukt karo tan ko. Learn some skills. न रहो न निराश करो मन को. He also said, प्रभु ने तुमको कर दान दिए. You got 2 hands as a gift from God. सब वांछित वस्तु विधान किए. Whatever you need, you're very fortunate, boys and girls, that you have everything you ever desired. तुम प्राप्त करो उनको ना हो, फिर है ये किसका दोष कहो. If you don't achieve what you want to achieve, whose fault will it be? समझो न अलभ्य किसी धन को. Nothing is impossible. न रहो न निराश करो मन को. You're human. Do not get disappointed. So congratulations again. God bless you all. Thank you very much. I would like to finish by thanking a lot number of people. All the groups who have been active for last, I think, more than a month. The principal, APS Dhar, Jaya, my favorite. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for making it possible for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your wonderful words of wisdom with us.
2 lines. उठो तो ऐसे उठो कि फक्र हो बुलंदी को, झुको तो ऐसे झुको बंदगी भी नाज करे.
Two lines from me too.
Please.
कौन कहता है कि आसमां में छेद नहीं हो सकता. This is for each one of us, including the boys and girls who are young today. कौन कहता है कि आसमां में छेद नहीं हो सकता. एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. So this comes from Lucknow, ma'am.
Very nice. भीड़ में खड़ा होना मकसद नहीं है मेरा, बल्कि भीड़ जिसके लिए खड़ी है वो बनना है मुझे.
Very nice.
Very nice, ma'am.
Well said, ma'am.
So let's move on. वीर शिवा के वंशज हैं हम, राणा की संतान हैं, फूल महकते मधुबन वाले तारों की मुस्कान है. इस देश के नौनिहाल शिवाजी और महाराणा प्रताप के समान वीर हैं तथा राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पण की भावना से ओतप्रोत हैं. इसी क्रम में अगली प्रस्तुति में भविष्य का एक कर्णधार आने वाले समय में अपनी पीढ़ी द्वारा किए जाने वाले कार्यों को अत्यंत जीवंतता से प्रस्तुत कर रहा है, साथ ही शांति व प्रेम के संदेश को भी प्रकट कर रहा है. तो आइए स्वागत करते हैं कक्षा 4th के छात्र मास्टर रियान शर्मा.
जय
That was indeed a wonderful, wonderful performance by our
Beautiful.
young.
Small hands working on the harmonium. Beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
What was his name?
Ma'am, Master Yan Sharma from grade 4.
Okay, Riyansh. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Dance is the most creative art form to express everything without saying anything. So, to mesmerize all of us with a classical dance performance, let's welcome Miss Akshara of grade 9. That was indeed a wonderful performance by Akshara. लोग अक्सर जो कम बोलते हैं, ज़माने में उनके हुनर बोलते हैं. We feel delighted to share that one such young talent is from our school who has made us proud by reaching the second round of program Hunarbaz to be aired on Colors channel very shortly. So let's welcome Master Taksh Singh Salaria of grade 5 to present a spectacular performance.
Just go,
Very, very nice. Very, very nice. What's your name?
Ma'am, his name was Tansh.
Yours.
Ma'am, my name is Tanpreet.
Huh?
Tanpreet, ma'am.
Kanupreet.
Tanpreet, ma'am.
Tanpreet.
T-A-N. Yes, ma'am. Tanpreet.
Wait, I just want to ask you, आप क्या चाहते हो? हम चेयर पे बैठे ना बैठे क्या करें? ऐसा डांस सिखाओगे? I have to start jumping, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
जिया को पता है कैसे हंस रही हो? देखो सुधा, they know me very well. मैं
Yes,
बड़ी
yes.
मुश्किल से बैठी हुई हूँ. ऐसे मत दिखाना और चीजें.
Right.
ऑनलाइन से ऑफलाइन हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
And strict orders are for online, you know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Thank you so
Nice,
much.
very
Ma'am.
nice.
Yes, that was a spectacular performance by Taksh. If we see through the eyes of gratitude, everything is miracle. To express our gratitude to all of you, I take the honor to invite Mrs. Jia Agarwal, Chairperson, Education Committee, Nadan Command, on this virtual platform.
Jaya, before you speak, just 2 words with children. बच्चों ये सुनना ध्यान से. कहाँ पर है वो राठौर? What is that girl's name? Krishna. कृष्णा राठौर. ईशान बैठा है वहीं पर. ध्यान से सुनना. काम करो ऐसा कि पहचान बन जाए. काम करो ऐसा कि पहचान बन जाए. हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि निशान बन जाए. यहाँ जिंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है. जिंदगी जियो इस कदर कि मिसाल बन जाए. Okay? So our expectations are this from all of you. Whether it is Lakmuki school or whether it is Kanpur or Udhampur, everybody, Nadan Command rocks. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Mrs. Joshi. Legendary football coach Venice Lombardi once said, leaders are not born, they are made. Regional President Ava Nadan Command, Mrs. Uina Joshi, envisioned future leaders to be morally upright through the medium of Ethics Bowl, which was fructified into Nadan Command Inter-Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl 2021. So lucky are the students of APS Nadan Command, isn't it? I take this occasion to thank our Regional President Ava, who bestowed upon Education Committee Nadan Command the responsibility to conduct this prestigious competition. Every drop in the ocean counts, and Education Committee Nadan Command would never forget those who helped it sail through this daunting tournament. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling months ago. The journey started with the presentation by the principal APS Dhar Road on 7 September 2021. The journey took full swing with informing the schools, deciding on cases, contacting judges, designing of trophy, medals, certificates. The First Lady of Nadan Command has bird's eye for details. At every step, Mrs. Joshi kept polishing us, giving new ideas and motivating us. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by different organizations of very proactive and dedicated staff who are well versed in their job. 71 Sub-Area, 611 AD Brigade, NCVD, 5071 ASC Battalion, 14 EME Battalion, NCSR. We also acknowledge the active support of the people who worked behind the scenes to make this event a big success. CO NCVD, SO Ava Nadan Command, Director AWES NC. My sincere gratitude goes to all principals, teachers, parents, and well-wishers for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children would not be able to achieve excellence. Our expert judges, without your generosity, knowledge, patience, this competition would not have gone so smoothly as it has. Thanks for volunteering your services, especially during such a busy convention season, and doing so for charity. The hard work of your shining stars was evident in their answers. The neck-to-neck competition made the judges sweat for each point. Last but not the least, thank to the principal APS Dhar Road and her complete team to be a perfect host school. I am short of words in defining their involvement and their willingness to take on every task beyond their comfort zones. Mrs. Joshi. We all together thank you for having faith in all of us. Like a catalyst that stimulates to do the best, you kept standing as pillar of strength. 3 cheers for Nadan Command. Now, we all request you to please sing the song, our song. Thank you.
Thank you, Jaya.
Thank you, Mrs. Joshi.
हम सदस्य हैं आवा की, आवा हमारे महान है, हम में सिरनी है, कार्य इसका महान है, कार्य इसका महान है, हम में सिरनी है, कार्य इसका महान है, कार्य इसका महान है। हम सदस्य हैं आवा की। मूल मंत्र है साक्षरता का निरक्षर कोई बहना नहीं, मूल मंत्र है साक्षरता का निरक्षर कोई बहना नहीं। लघु उद्योग और हस्तकला की बेहतर कोई मिसाल नहीं, लघु उद्योग और हस्तकला की बेहतर कोई मिसाल नहीं। गुमराह की विधवा बहना राह दिखलाई जीने की, गुमराह की विधवा बहना राह दिखलाई जीने की। बेघरों के घर बसाए रस्में बांधे विवाह की, बेघरों के घर बसाए रस्में बांधे विवाह की। गर्व हमें है संगठन का, गर्व हमें है संगठन का, थल सेना की शान है, हम इसके ऋणी है, कार्य इसका महान है, कार्य इसका महान है, कार्य इसका महान है। हम सदस्य हैं आवा की। सब बच्चे हैं नागरिक कल के, दिया है उज्जवल भविष्य उनका। सब बच्चे हैं नागरिक कल के, दिया है उज्जवल भविष्य उनका। ममता के आंचल से ढककर किया है रोशन जीवन उनका, ममता के आंचल से ढककर किया है रोशन जीवन उनका। हर पल हर दम हमारी आवा हर मुश्किल आसान करे, हर पल हर दम हमारी आवा हर मुश्किल आसान करे। देकर सुख शांति और आशा दामन खुशियों से भरे, देकर सुख शांति और आशा दामन खुशियों से भरे, दामन खुशियों से भरे। हम सदस्य हैं आवा की, हम सदस्य हैं आवा की, आवा हमारी महान है, हम इसके ऋणी है, कार्य इसका महान है, कार्य इसका महान है, कार्य इसका महान है।
Undoubtedly, हम सदस्य हैं आवा के, कार्य इसका महान है. With this, we have reached the end of this epic closing ceremony of Nadan Command Inter-Army Public Schools Ethics Bowl 2021. I congratulate all the participants as you are now the future torch bearers of public speaking and an inspiration to all the youngsters watching you out there. Thank you everyone for being with us.
Thank you, thank you. And now the Udhampur has to be very careful to maintain this trophy. It's a very big task now, you know, because you never know this trophy moves where. All the children should know this. Right, Jia?
जी बिल्कुल.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.